Right then, welcome to Happy Hungry Hibby. What I'm going to bring you this week is an absolute exclusive from yours truly, Ottolenghi. This free book from Waitrose actually has some recipes, and this is what I'm going to share with you today. This, so simple, so different, and so innovative. It is a pineapple with a coconut chili mint drizzle. Now my wife has chopped up some pineapple, she gets some every week, and this is just a two-part recipe where you get your pineapple and then you create a chili mint drizzle. Superb. Voila! And now for the tasting. My wife is coming specially to try, and my little happy Harvey Hibby is on his way, but I don't think Harvey can have pineapple. I'm sorry, little fella. So, would you like to come try, Jenna? Nice? Yeah? Right, let's try myself. Wow. That has just got my wife's approval. Absolutely brilliant. 10 out of 10. The simplicity of that is just incredible. Who would have even thought to have done that? So it is the Aleppo and mixed chilies that absolutely transformed this dish. The combination of the pineapple, the cream, the chili, a little bit of salt, a little bit of sweetness, with that all-round flavour threshold of different flavour bombs, absolutely makes this dish. Jenna, my wife, tried it, absolutely loved it. Here he is, Harvey. Say hello. Happy Harvey Hibby. Oh yes, he's in terror mode, he wants to go and play, don't you? Anyway, really hope you've enjoyed the show. Please do subscribe, lots of love and passion going into this. Also, turn on your notifications every fortnight on Tuesdays at 4:30. Also, check out my Ottolenghi playlist. I've covered over 65 recipes from his simple and flavour cookbook. Do check that out. Take care and enjoy.